अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक विथ न्यू वीडियो। दोस्तों, आज हम हाज़िर हैं आपके साथ नए वीडियो के साथ, जो कि हमारा आज का जो वीडियो होगा वो होगा एनडीटी और एनडी के बारे में कि ये दो वर्ड और ये वर्ड की मीनिंग क्या है, इन वर्ड की एब्रीविएशन क्या है और ये कहाँ कहाँ होते हैं, इस कौन से ट्रेड कौन से डिपार्टमेंट से रिलेटेड हैं, इसका काम क्या है। जो आज का हमारा वीडियो होगा शॉर्ट वीडियो होगा, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह मैं ट्राई करूँगा आप इससे कुछ ना कुछ सीखें, ठीक है। और ये जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो होगा इंग्लिश में, क्योंकि ये दोनों वर्ड ऐसे हैं जो कि रिलेटेड हैं क्यूसी डिपार्टमेंट से, और जो क्यूसी डिपार्टमेंट है वो उसका काम ही सारा इंग्लिश में होता है उसका, क्योंकि ऑलवेज़ वो क्लाइंट के साथ होते हैं, उन्हें क्लाइंट को डील करना होता है, क्लाइंट को जस्टिफाई करना होता है, तो इसलिए आज का हमारा टॉपिक वो होगा इंग्लिश में। So let's start our topic, which we have already talked with you that today was topic about NDT and NDE. So first of all, I will tell you about NDT. What is the NDT and what is the abbreviation of NDT? So remember one thing, NDT is full form is non-destructive test, okay, and second one is the NDE, yani non-destructive examination. Okay, I hope you will get my point about these two words. I will tell you something about this one extra. It's a group of inspection techniques used to evaluate material component or structures without damaging them, meaning you can detect defective while keeping the part in a serviceable condition. Okay, the mean is that why we do NDT and NDE. That's why I just told you this definition. What's the purpose of these two words? What's the purpose of these two activity? So now I will tell you the definition of non-destructive test. NDT is the process of inspection, testing or evaluating material component or assemblies for a disconnected, defective or difference in characteristics without causing damage to the original part. I hope you will get my point, what I want to tell you about this one. But as you can see in the picture of definition, this word NDT, and it's widely used where. So I will tell you now that about it, where we use this two types of NDT inspection. First of all, tell you we use this one in oil and gas, power generation, aerospace, construction, manufacturing, shipbuilding, petrochemical plants. I hope you before you have worked in oil and gas field, and mostly people are working in oil and gas field because in Asia, mostly people are working in oil and gas, like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, whatever you are working, you are in Asia. We are working in Asia in oil and gas field, mostly people, and also we work in the construction side. So the thing is that when you are working in oil and gas field, if some take an example, if you are working in an equipment which is a column, okay, so if you have a activity related welding, because if any welders did a joint in a column, and then you have to do NDT. I'm just giving you an example about the NDT. So non-destructive test, okay, and after that we do ND. The same words, just definition or abbreviation change, but the thing is that the mean is same. I hope you will get my point, but for more information, for more detail, I'll just tell you something about this one, so why we use this two kind of test to detect flaws or defect, yani it's mean cracks, porosity, corrosion, inclusion, etc, like this, okay. And second one is that evaluate material properties, thickness, hardness, weld quality. As I told you before in the last one, we will just take welding. And third one is ensure safety and reliability of critical assets, which is it's mean the operations property. And fourth one, prevent failure before they happen. It means when you will do a job, we do this activity before to check the equipment or line it can be happen after we giving it operation they use in our process. So we do this before to hand over the operation side. And fifth one, reduce maintenance cost by early detection. It means, as I told you now, that if we have one line, okay, which we have welded, and now we have handed over to the operation side they use for a process for an crushing material. If something is happen wrong, yani if something is there is a leakage, then it will be mostly cost cost of loss for operation side. That's why they did this activity before any weld. Before after any weld, you just check thickness, leakage, or something else which can be loss for operation. That's why they assign this department. That's why they do this activity before taking an operation. So this was that is the mean, and that is the abbreviation, and that is the thing which we do in the field about these two words NDT and NDE. I hope so you will get my point, and inshallah we will talk you about NDT. NDT, what is the entities types, what is the method, what is the procedures. Inshallah we'll talk in the next video. For now we have discussed about these two words NDT and NDE. I hope so you will be understand about these two words. So see you later in the next video. Allah Hafiz.